Is your camera not working in Microsoft Teams? Maybe you see a black screen, the camera icon is disabled, or Teams simply can't detect your webcam. In this guide, I'll show you the most useful fixes, from checking permissions to testing the camera and updating its driver. So let's get started. First, check the camera itself. If you're using a laptop, make sure the privacy shutter is open and that no camera key or privacy switch is disabled. For an external webcam, unplug it and connect it again. Microsoft also recommends restarting your device when troubleshooting camera problems. Next, close apps that might already be using your camera, such as another video meeting app or the Windows Camera app. If another application has control of the webcam, Teams may not be able to access it. Yeah, this is a simple fix, but it's easy to overlook. Now check your Windows camera permissions. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Camera. Make sure camera access is turned on, and allow apps and desktop apps to access your camera. These permissions are especially important for the Teams desktop app. Back in Teams, open Settings and go to Devices. Check the camera setting and make sure the correct webcam is selected. If you have multiple cameras connected, Teams may be using the wrong one. Select your built-in or external camera, then check the preview. Teams also provides a test call that can help you check your audio and video devices. Open Settings, select Devices, and choose Make a Test Call when available. If your camera works there, the problem may be specific to a particular meeting or setting. If Teams shows a strange background, gray screen, or no visible video, temporarily turn off background effects and blur, then check the camera again. Microsoft notes that privacy screens and covered cameras can sometimes look like a background effects problem. If you're using Teams in a browser, the browser needs permission to access your camera too. Open the browser's site permissions for Teams and make sure camera is set to allow. Then refresh the page and rejoin the meeting. If the camera still doesn't work, check for Windows and Teams updates. You can also open Device Manager, expand cameras, and check the camera device and its driver. Microsoft notes that driver problems can cause Windows cameras to stop working. Updating or correcting the driver can sometimes bring the webcam back, and that's how to fix a Microsoft Teams camera that isn't working. Check the physical webcam, close other apps, allow camera permissions, select the correct device, test it, and update Windows or the driver if needed. So work through these steps one by one, and your Teams video should be ready to go.